Today I received my package from Steve Holder. He has done another lever lock for me. I sent him one of these. It's a Defiant Squire, and asked him to make it so I can remove the cover and see how it works on the inside. So let's see how he did. Get into it. Oh, and there we have it. He's ground off the rivet heads and replaced them with screws, which is great. And this is what he did for a chub. Removed the cover and also did all that milling so we can see how it works on the inside. So let's take a look at this. I didn't have a key for this, still don't have a key for this, but hopefully it'll help me be able to pick it. This is just a key that fits another lock, but it won't open this one. But we'll see how it works when we take the cover off. And we'll unscrew these. Tell how many screws are on here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Cover. And here we have the inside. Find the key. This doesn't unlock it, but at least you'll be able to see the levers move. So that should let me get a pick and pick wire in there and give it a go. Let's see. Have anything that fits? I think this might do. That fits. going to be able to pick this thing, but just want to give it a go to see if this wire is a bit thin, so I don't know if it will lift up any of the levers in it. Here it does. So that gives me something to work on. Take this out. And I'm going to try and take the next plate off so we can look at the insides. See how that will work. Now we'll go ahead and disassemble the locking mechanism and the Defiant here. First we've got the cover plate for the lever pack and the bolt that will slide across once the lever is lifted up to the right height to release the lock. Put that off. There you can see the post there. And we'll remove the levers the best we can. Take out the pins that hold the levers in. Make it easier. Here's the first lever. It has no gates. There's no gates in any of these, on any of these levers. And it's a lever number 1. Here's the second lever. And it's a lever number 5. Third lever, and it's a number 3. And this is not the fourth lever, but it's the stationary lever that the spring here in this part pushes up on the shackle here. So when you unlock it, the shackle will pop up by this spring lever here. And this has a unusual locking mechanism. He has 2 grooves in it, and it matches this area right here and this area right up here. So when this is closed, it interlocks like that. This doesn't have a number on it. Then we have the fourth lever, and it's a number 3. And we have the fifth lever, and it's a number 5. Another pin that holds in. These hold in the levers. And then we have the bolt. And we have a black back plate. So these are all the parts of the Defiant lock. And I will spend the rest of the evening attempting to put it back together again. So thanks for watching, and thanks to Steve Holder for doing this fabulous take-apart lock here for me, for practicing. He does great work. Thanks for watching.